Hi, this is Eric, Parts Doctor. Is your dryer's door sagging or crooked, or just not opening right?
If you open your dryer's door, you'll see a metal hinge here mounted to the side of the door. This hinge supports the weight of the door and helps it rotate smoothly when opening and closing. This hinge also keeps the door properly aligned so that the strike on the other side of the dryer will easily latch into place when closing.
Well, if it's bent or broken, it will need to be replaced. And in this video, I'll show you how to.
If you need to purchase a new door hinge, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. To access the hinge, first we'll need to open the dryer's door. Then, remove these 4 screws using a T20 Torx bit. Lift to remove the door from the dryer. Next, set the door on a soft surface to avoid scratching or damaging it. To separate the door panels, remove these 13 Phillips head screws. Do not remove any of the Torx head screws, as they hold other components like the glass, the hinge, and the spring catch in place. Next, lift on the inner door panel to separate it from the outer door panel. Set the outer door panel aside for later. Remove these 8 T25 Torx screws and lift the plate to remove it. Then, lift the hinge to remove it from the door. Remove the 4 hinge caps from the hinge. If you need to purchase a new hinge, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag of your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. Now is a good time to also inspect the hinge caps for damage. If they are cracked or worn out, they should be replaced. They are sold separately, so we'll leave a link to purchase the caps in the description below. To install, align the hinge caps to the hinge and push them into place. The door hinge must be installed in the correct direction to work properly. Be sure that the bends on the hinge are pointed down and set the hinge into these slots on the inner door panel. Then, rest the hinge bracket over the hinge and make sure that the hinge can rotate all the way open and close. If the hinge is installed upside down, the hinge will not be able to rotate correctly, as you can see here. Align the hinge plate to the back of the door hinge and secure it in place with the 8 T25 Torx screws. Set the inner door panel aside and grab the outer door panel for reinstallation. To align the door panels, insert the side with the hinge assembly first and work your way around the panels to make sure that the inner door panel is sitting on the inside of the outer door panel. Then, press down on the door catch cover to snap the 2 panels together. Install the 13 Phillips head screws to secure the door together. We suggest doing this by hand to avoid damaging or breaking the plastic mounts and threads. Align the retainers on the door hinge to these slots on the front panel. Then, install the 4 T20 screws to secure the door to the dryer. Close the door and make sure that it is working properly.
And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.